Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model very simple and basic object in Blender. Very simple object in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is very simple model in Maya. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have, and I will see you in my next video. By the way, I have modeled this in Blender, not Maya. I have modeled this in Blender. So hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.